Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for a police clearance certificate at a passport office in India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when it comes to apply for police clearance certificate, you need this certificate for various reasons. Sometimes you need to apply for a visa to another country. Sometimes you need for some job. It varies. So how to get it done at a passport office, I'm going to walk you through. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Passport Seva website. So if you're coming here for the very first time, you need to register yourself. If you already have a login, you can go ahead and log in. Okay. So I'm gonna log in. Your sample video, so I will not submit the application, but I can give you an idea. Okay, so now at your home page, you see various options, right? So here one of those is apply for police clearance certificate. You need to click and fill the application form. First passport, so I'm gonna put all sample information, guys. This is not living. Just sample. Okay. Date of issue. Do it as per your passport, not what I'm doing here. Date of expiry. Place of issue. Check your passport where it is. I'm just putting a sample. Country region for which you need it. Let's say you want to for Australia. Purpose. Long-term visa, immigration purpose other than citizenship, employment, citizenship, nationality, application. Let's say this is the case. What is applicable? What is applicable in your case? Again, I'm gonna put sample information. So I'll just ETT, EEE. Okay. Place of birth. Check your passport and enter according to that. Date of birth. I'm just putting a sample. Nation of India by birth. PAN if available. Voter ID. Employment type. I'm going for not employed because if I go for employed, like private, I may need to give details and documents, but I'm just putting. This is a sample video. That's why I'm just doing. In government sector, organization name, Aadhaar name. That's why. Based on your answer, they're gonna ask other details. So I'm just going not deployed sample video. Marital status, I'm putting single, but if you're married, select married. Do as per your case. Education qualification, graduate and above. Aadhaar number, if you have, like in India now, most of the people have, so definitely provide that. Click on next. Now parent legal name. So I'm just first name, right? The name sample, guys. Mother name, mother given name, surname, sample. Present address. So date. Okay, I'm just gonna put some sample. Village, town, city, district, police station, pin code. So do it as per your case. Okay, don't just do what you see here. Mobile number, just sample, guys. Email ID, a permanent address available, I select yes. Same as presented, I select yes. If not, they'll ask you provide details. Telephone number and email ID. Telephone number is not much, I leave it. Email ID, I'll just put. Next. Criminal proceeding against you, I select no, but if you have, definitely you provide the details. So next is gonna be self-declaration. After that, you can submit, and then you can go under like submitted. I'll show you. View saved submitted application. There you can book appointment, pay the fee, and then it will also provide you the checklist of documents that you need to carry at your appointment place, and then from there you can take it further. That is how it works, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.